Alright guys, so I want to make my first withdrawal on Headway. So as you can see right here is my name, Victor Bamidele Sani. Okay, so first and first, once you log in into your Headway account, okay, you click here, the three lines at the left top corner, then you click on finance. Alright, so once you click on finance, you're going to see different tabs: the deposit tab, withdrawal, transaction history. I'm going to click on withdrawal. So I'm actually withdrawing commission. Okay, so before you think about withdrawing, you must make sure you have some dollars that you want to withdraw. Okay, so I'm going to choose wallet or account. So I'm going to select this. Okay, this is the commission that is in my wallet USD account, $2.2. This is my real life account where I have there is $137. So I'm going to select this, and the next thing I'm going to do is to select bank transfer. There are other options though. So let's say the amount I want to withdraw is up to $10 or more than $10, because minimum is 10 USDT. If I want to use BEP20, I'll have preferred to use BEP20, okay, to withdraw. So but since I do not have up to $10, I'm going to use bank transfer. All right, so I'm going to click on bank transfer, and the minimum amount is actually 2,000. So I'm going to type in 3,500. So that's 2.28. Wow. And what I have is 2.21. So that means let me type 3,200. Okay, 2.09. I said 3,300. Okay, this is okay. So bank account number, I'll paste my VF. What's it called? VFD Microfinance Bank. Okay, let me confirm. All right. So I'm going to click on withdrawal. So withdrawal confirmation. To proceed with the withdrawal request, please enter the verification code sent to your registered email address. The code is valid for 30 minutes. It's loading. I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, then click on continue. All right, payment is in process. Okay, payment is in process. So I'm going to screenshot this. Screenshot again. All right, then check transaction. Okay, as you can see under transaction history, withdrawal pending. All right, so let's see how long it's gonna take. Okay, so because according to what we have here, select this again. Okay, processing time 15 minutes, immediately in 99% of cases. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's yet to reflect. So let's wait for it. All right, so this is the email I got from Headway. Okay, hello Victor Bamidele Sani, your request to withdraw fund has been declined. So please learn why your request was declined. Please make a withdrawal request to USDT BEP20. So I'm definitely going to try BEP20 then. Okay, that means I'll have to withdraw like 20 USDT from my live account. So I'm gonna use MEXC Global. All right, so I'm going to copy my BEP20 wallet address from MEXC Global. This is my MEXC Global account. All right, so I'm gonna click on deposit. Okay, so I'm gonna click on on-chain deposit. So if you don't have MEXC Global exchange account, you're going to see the link in the description box. Their charges, their fees is very, very cheaper to other platform like just too cheap. So I'm going to click on USDT, then click on BEP20. So apart from their trading fees, their charges being cheap, they are reliable. Okay, so they are reliable. But take note, every centralized exchange only deposit money there to trade, not to invest or put your money long term. Okay, including Binance, Bybit, just to trade. All right. So I'm gonna click on copy to copy my BEP20 wallet address. Then I'll go to Headway. Then I'm going to click on choose account. Then I'll choose this. Choose this available for transfer. Okay, so USDT BEP20. All right, click on it. It's loading. All right, so I'm going to type in 20 USDT, then paste my wallet address. Then I'm gonna click on withdrawal. Okay, so resend. Okay, this is the code. Copy and paste. Continue. It says invalid. Okay, this is the new one. Copy and paste. All right, transaction ID. It may take some time. See the current status of your transaction in the transaction history. So let me screenshot this. Okay, click on check transaction. So as you can see right here, it says pending. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So this is the email I got from Headway. All right, so this is it right here. Hello Victor Ayabamdele Sonny, please provide additional information to confirm your withdrawal request. So this is it right here. Please confirm that is the correct BEP20 address and belongs to you, with a screenshot which will show your name by email to care@hw.site. Thank you. So what I'm going to do now is I'll go to MEXC and click on deposit again, on-chain deposit, then click on USDT BEP20. Then I'm going to screenshot this. All right, so then the next thing I'm going to do is to go to here. I'll click on this avatar at the left top corner of my MEXC global account. Then I'm going to click this place, okay, for my name. So I'm going to click here, Victor Ayabamdele Sonny. So they wants to confirm my name, so I'm going to do that screenshot. All right, so that is done. So what I'm going to do now is to send an email to this address. Okay, all right, so let me copy. I'm gonna copy the wallet address again. Deposit, on-chain deposit, USDT BEP20. Yeah, copy. So I'm gonna send a mail to this email address here. So I'm gonna click on it. All right, so then I'm going to type, this is my proof of wallet address or whatever. Okay, so wallet address, wallet address, then C, attachment below for the screenshots of my wallet address and my wallet profile name. Okay, good. So I'm going to click here, select photos, and select the two. So let me select this first. Okay, then followed by this, add. Okay, so I'm gonna click on send to send it now. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, just saw this. All right, so though I already sent a mail before opening this particular mail here, so but anyways, I'll just click on reply. Okay, so and I think I did exactly what they wanted, the screenshot of the wallet address, then yeah, my verification center. Yeah, I did that. So I'm gonna click on reply, then paste and attach the stuffs, this and this, add, then send. Okay, good. So after sending the mail, this is the next email I received from Headway. Greetings, thank you for providing the information. We have forwarded it to the relevant department for checking and processing. Please allow a bit of time and we will get back to you with an update as soon as possible. We appreciate your patience. Caring regards, whatever. So this is the next update. Withdrawal approved. Hello, Victor Yobam. Your withdrawal request has been successfully approved. So as you can see, withdrawal amount, payment system BEP20. So once your Headway account is verified with a valid ID, I would strongly recommend you just go ahead to withdraw with BEP20 directly. Okay, so make sure you use MEXC global account. So this is the 20 USDT on my account. So here's a mail from MEXC as well. Deposit amount 20 USDT. So the deposit was actually fast. Okay, so here's a mail from them. We are pleased to inform you that your withdrawal has been approved on Headway. It is now with the payment system for processing. You will receive the fund as soon as I've already received it. So guys, make sure you share this video. All right, and also you're going to see Headway link in the description box, so use the Headway link in the description box to register if you don't have Headway account. So you are going to see MEXC global exchange link in the description box. And by the way, MEXC is actually giving airdrop like free USDT to their members. Okay, so I think it's randomly, so you could be the next lucky winner to get what's it called, free airdrop. Okay, because I actually got like 1,000 airdrop myself. Okay, and also some of the people that actually registered through my link also got the airdrop. Okay, so make sure you register to get the airdrop. Okay, it's very, very important. And also on MEXC, you can copy my trade, my futures. I do futures trading on MEXC, so you can copy my trade on MEXC. So as I trade and make profits, you make profits. So if I lose, you lose as well. Okay, so but be rest assured that we are definitely going to have more wins. Okay, so I'm here to help you to make more profit, to help you to become more profitable. All right, so that's it, guys. I do really hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful, please make sure you like, comment, and share. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.